Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at CROSSE Technology WT-3181PLx1 18-inch indoor-outdoor atomic wall clock user manual. Specifications. Get started. Remove the round battery cover to access clock movement and battery compartments. Insert one AA battery into the movement at the center of the clock. Optional, for extended battery life, install 2 additional batteries, one on either side of the movement. Select your specific time zone by firmly pressing the correct time zone button once replace the battery cover. The default time zone is Pacific time. If the clock is set and the hours are off, hold the correct time zone button for 5 seconds to correct. Position clock. Indoors. Place the clock 6 feet away from electronics to avoid signal interference. Position the clock near an exterior wall facing FT. Collins, Colorado for better WWVB time signal reception. Outdoors. Choose a location with an overhang to protect the clock from direct sunlight, snow, or rain. Mount the clock on a wall using the hanging hole on the back, and ensure the battery cover is secure. Power up. Insert one AA battery into each side battery compartment, ensuring they have the same voltage and are installed correctly. Place the clock near a window facing Fort Collins, CO for the best reception of the WWVB Atomic Time Signal. It may take up to 5 nights for the clock to receive the signal. Once the signal is received, firmly press and hold the correct time zone button until the hands begin to spin to set the correct time. If your area does not observe daylight saving time, press the daylight saving time button once to turn the DST setting to off. Manually set time. Remove all batteries from the clock. Press the manual set tab at least 20 times and wait 15 minutes. Insert batteries into the side battery compartments. Allow the hands to spin around and stop in either the 4, 8, or 12 o'clock position. Hold the manual set tab until your correct time is achieved. Thermometer hygrometer. Your thermometer and hygrometer have been pre-calibrated and should not need adjustment. Before manually adjusting your sensors, allow the clock to sit for at least 2 hours in the same location. To manually adjust your sensors, gently turn the temperature or humidity sensor adjustment on the back of the clock until the desired setting is reached. Temperature and humidity. The CROSSE Technology Atomic Wall Clock has 2 analog sensors that measure surrounding temperature and humidity. The temperature information is displayed in degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius, and humidity data is displayed in percentages. The thermometer and hygrometer have been calibrated at the factory. To check the sensor's accuracy, tune into your local weather forecast information broadcast for the latest weather information. Daylight saving time. The National Institute of Standards and Technology and WWVB encode a special DST bit in the WWVB transmission for DST. Your clock will read this information and automatically advance the hands 1 hour in the spring and 11 hours in the fall. Care and maintenance. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix different types of batteries. Use the correct size and grade for your device. Replace all batteries at once. Clean battery contacts before installation. Insert batteries with the correct polarity. Remove batteries from unused devices. Discard expired batteries. Warnings. Avoid exposing the clock to excessive moisture, water, or heat. If batteries start to leak, remove them immediately. Keep the clock away from harsh chemicals and wireless interference. In case of a power outage, the clock may lose its settings but will typically reset itself once power is restored. If the clock has difficulty receiving the atomic time signal, try moving it to a different location or contact CROSSE Technology for assistance. Troubleshootings. Check power supply. Ensure that the AC adapter is properly plugged into both the clock and the wall outlet. Verify sensor placement. Make sure the outdoor temperature and humidity sensor is placed in a shaded, open area away from direct sunlight, heat sources, or cold drafts. Clean the sensor. If the outdoor sensor is dirty or dusty, clean it gently with a soft cloth to ensure accurate readings. Check for interference. Wireless signals can be interfered with by other electronic devices. Reset the clock. If the clock is not displaying the correct time or date, or if you are experiencing other issues, try resetting it to its factory settings. Contact CROSSE Technology. If you have tried the troubleshooting steps above and are still experiencing issues, contact CROSSE Technology for further assistance. Update firmware. If available, update the clock's firmware to the latest version. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.